Hello fellow home cooks, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you my first try in making mooncakes. Let's start by preparing the ingredients and tools that we are going to need. In a big mixing bowl, add golden syrup. Then add peanut oil. If not available, you may substitute with sunflower or canola oil. Add alkaline or lye water. Mix well. After mixing, add the cake flour. Mix continuously until a dough is formed. Knead the dough and form into a ball. Leave to rise until double in size. While dough is proofing, bake the egg yolks, then leave the oven on to preheat. Dust the kneading surface. For this recipe I used 2 batches with different fillings. After proofing, knead again and divide into equal parts. For this recipe, I weighed the dough and divided into 6. Roll each part into ball shape. Roll the lotus paste filling into ball shapes too, then prepare together with salted egg yolks. Using your thumb, press the paste to make space for the salted egg yolk. Wrap the egg yolk until fully covered and roll into ball shape. Then using a small rolling pin, flatten the dough. Wrap the paste ball with the flattened dough until fully covered and roll into ball shape. It is now ready for molding. Using your mold, find the size that matches your ball size. Fit into the mold. Press down, then slowly release by pulling the mold out. Beat an egg and add a little water to make an egg wash. Using a pastry brush, coat each mooncake on top before baking. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the cake from the oven to cool at room temperature. Wrap to your desired packaging. Eat only after 3 days. The oil from the filling will be transferred to the thin layer of pastry, resulting in a very soft and moist outer layer. I hope you liked this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, Please do and click the notification bell for more homely recipes. Thank you for watching and happy Mooncake Festival!